What makes the human rectum different from other mammals? Imagine how our bodies are perfectly tuned for our way of life. The human rectum has some unique features that set it apart from other mammals, mainly because of how we stand and control our bowel movements. And like many animals that walk on all fours, humans walk upright, and this changes how our rectum is built and functions. Our rectum is about 12 centimeters long, starting at the junction where the sigmoid colon ends and the rectum begins, and it ends at the anal canal. Near its end, it has a dilated part called the rectal ampulla, which acts like a storage tank for feces until we are ready to go. Interestingly, the human rectum does not have the teeny E. coli, hostra, or appendices epiploicae that are typical of the colon in many animals. Instead, it has 3 transverse folds known as Houston's valves, which help support the fecal matter and regulate when we defecate. These features are important because they help us control when and how we release waste, supporting continence and overall colon health. The muscles around the human rectum are also specially adapted. The puborectalis muscle forms a sling around the anorectal junction, creating an angle that keeps feces inside. When we decide to go to the bathroom, this angle straightens out, allowing stool to pass. This muscular control is more complex in humans than in many other mammals, thanks to our upright posture. In other animals, like pigs or dogs, the anatomy is different because they are quadrupeds, and their rectal and pelvic muscles are organized differently. Humans have a layered muscular structure in the pelvic floor that helps us voluntarily control bowel movements, which is a key part of our ability to manage continence. Our upright stance also influences how the rectum functions. Standing up changes the shape of the anorectal angle and how the pelvic muscles support the rectum. This adaptation helps us maintain continence while standing or sitting, unlike quadrupedal animals whose anatomy is suited for lying or walking on all fours. This difference affects how feces are stored and expelled, giving humans a higher level of voluntary control. It also explains why some people experience issues like constipation or fecal incontinence, which are related to how well these structures work together. Understanding these differences is especially important when it comes to colorectal health and cancer. The way blood and lymphatic vessels are arranged in the human rectum influences how cancers spread. For example, cancers in the upper part of the rectum often spread to the liver, while those in the lower part tend to go to the lungs. The unique features of the rectal ampulla and the transverse folds also affect how tumors are detected during examinations. Knowing these anatomical details helps doctors plan effective screening and treatment strategies for colorectal cancer. In summary, the human rectum is distinct from that of other mammals because of its length, specialized folds, muscular control related to our upright posture, and its role in voluntary defecation. These features are vital for maintaining colon health, controlling continence, and understanding how colorectal diseases develop and spread. Always remember, if you have concerns about your bowel health or symptoms, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.